everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Chronicle. Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Chronicle. Have you ever wondered what exactly happens inside your body when you feel the urge to pee? Or how your kidneys filter out waste from your blood every single minute? Well, today's video is going to answer all of that. We're diving deep into the fascinating process of excretory products and their elimination. And most importantly, we'll break down the concept of micturition in the simplest and most engaging way. So, let's get started. Let's begin with a basic question. Why does our body even need an excretory system? Every second, your body performs thousands of chemical reactions. We call this metabolism. But just like a factory, these reactions produce waste products, and if these are not removed, they can actually poison the body. So the main excretory products in humans are urea, a nitrogenous waste formed from the breakdown of proteins in the liver, uric acid, produced during the breakdown of nucleic acids, creatinine, a waste from muscle metabolism, excess salts, water, and toxins. These are mainly removed by the excretory system, which includes the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Now let's talk about how urine is actually formed. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of your spine. Each kidney has over 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. These are the real heroes. Here's how they work. 1. Filtration. Blood enters the nephron, and waste, water, glucose, and salts are filtered out. Reabsorption. The body reabsorbs what it needs, like glucose, amino acids, and some water. Secretion. Additional waste is secreted into the tubule. Excretion. What remains is urine, a yellowish fluid rich in urea, toxins, and excess salts. This urine then moves from the nephrons to collecting ducts, then to the ureters, and finally reaches the urinary bladder. So now we reach the key part, micturition, the process of passing urine. Imagine your urinary bladder like a water balloon. As urine fills it, the walls stretch. This stretching activates special stretch receptors in the bladder wall. These receptors send signals to the central nervous system, basically your brain and spinal cord. When it's appropriate, like when you're near a bathroom, the CNS sends back signals to contract the smooth muscles of the bladder and relax the urethral sphincter, a ring-like muscle that keeps the bladder closed. This leads to the release of urine through the urethra. This whole process is known as the micturition reflex. And guess what? It's voluntary in adults, meaning you can control it. But in infants or people with certain neurological issues, this control might be missing. Now let's understand what's normal urine like. Color light yellow due to a pigment called urochrome. pH slightly acidic, around 6.0. Odor, characteristic smell. Though this can change based on diet or health. Volume. On average, an adult excretes about 1 to 1.5 liters of urine per day. It also contains about 25 to 30 grams of urea daily. But things can change if there's a problem. Urine isn't just waste, it's also a window into your health. Doctors often use urine analysis to detect glycosuria, presence of glucose in urine, a sign of diabetes mellitus. Ketonuria, presence of ketone bodies, also linked to diabetes or starvation. Proteins, blood, or bacteria in urine may indicate infections or kidney diseases. So next time you're at the doctor's and they ask for a urine sample, you know why. So that's the amazing science behind how your body filters waste and controls the urge to urinate. From nephrons doing microscopic magic to your brain coordinating bladder control, it's a symphony of biological processes. If you found this video interesting, then your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching Knowledge Chronicle. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.